Curious about how AI can help you start making money online? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a way to boost your income, these beginner-friendly AI hacks can get you started. Today, we'll go through 5 powerful AI hacks anyone can use to start earning online right away. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited about leveling up your income with technology. 1. AI-powered content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai revolutionize the way we approach content creation, making it faster, more efficient, and often more cost-effective. These tools allow you to generate high-quality written content in a fraction of the time it would take you to write manually. You can create blog posts, search engine optimization-driven articles, or even long-form content like ebooks with minimal input. AI uses vast amounts of data to help you write in a natural tone and incorporate the latest trends, ensuring that your content not only engages readers but also ranks well in search engines. For instance, if you are running a blog, AI can suggest content ideas based on trending keywords and search queries, while also helping to structure the post effectively. Once you get the hang of using AI for content creation, you can even diversify your sources of income by offering freelance writing services or monetizing through ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships. The scalability of this AI hack makes it especially appealing for those looking to start a side hustle that can grow over time. What's more, you can work from home or anywhere, making it the perfect digital nomad job. By continuously refining your content and optimizing it for search engine optimization with AI, you can build a profitable online presence, leading to long-term, sustainable income. 2. AI-driven affiliate marketing insights. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative online income streams, but it can also be highly competitive. Thankfully, AI can level the playing field by helping you identify the best products and niches to target. AI-driven tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Surfer search engine optimization analyze search engine data, trends, and keywords to find profitable opportunities for affiliate marketing. These platforms not only identify the most in-demand products, but also show which keywords have the least competition, allowing you to strategically target your marketing efforts. AI allows you to automate your marketing campaigns, track your performance in real time, and adjust strategies based on what's working. For beginners, AI removes the guesswork by suggesting the most effective platforms, tactics, and timing for your affiliate campaigns, which helps you get the most bang for your buck. As you gain experience, AI can further refine your strategy by providing more advanced insights, such as audience segmentation, conversion rates, and personalized marketing recommendations. The beauty of AI in affiliate marketing lies in its scalability. What starts as a simple beginner strategy can evolve into a high-income business, with automated workflows and optimized performance metrics driving ongoing profits. 3. AI-assisted e-commerce product research. AI is revolutionizing the e-commerce industry, especially for those just starting out with dropshipping or private label products. E-commerce entrepreneurs often struggle with identifying the right products to sell, but AI tools like Jungle Scout eComment and Sell the Trend provide real-time market data that shows which products are trending. These platforms help you discover niches with high demand, low competition, and solid profit margins essential for a successful e-commerce store. By using AI to track competitors and analyze product performance, you can ensure that you're investing in products with proven demand rather than wasting money on items that don't sell. These tools also offer insights into what consumers are looking for, allowing you to tailor your product offerings to meet current market demands. Once you've found your winning products, you can use AI tools to automate your marketing, run targeted ads, and predict future sales trends. For beginners, AI makes it easy to dive into e-commerce with minimal risk by helping you make smarter, data-backed decisions. AI can also support pricing strategies by analyzing competitor pricing and adjusting your prices for optimal sales. This helps you stay competitive in the marketplace while maintaining healthy margins. With AI on your side, scaling your e-commerce business becomes a lot easier, even with limited experience. 4. AI-powered transcription and translation services. As the world becomes more interconnected, The demand for transcription and translation services continues to rise. AI tools like Otter.ai and Rev can transcribe audio and video content with impressive accuracy, cutting down on the time it would take to do it manually. For beginners, this presents an excellent opportunity to make money by providing transcription services to businesses, podcasters, content creators, and even academics. You don't have to be a fast typist to use these tools. AI will do the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the quality of your work. For those who speak multiple languages, AI-powered translation tools like DeepL can help you break into the translation industry without needing to be fluent in every language. These platforms allow you to translate documents and websites with AI-assisted accuracy, which you can then refine and personalize as needed. Whether you're transcribing podcasts or translating e-commerce websites, the demand for these services is only going to grow. The best part is that AI significantly reduces the time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing you to take on more clients and earn more money. Additionally, AI tools enable you to handle multiple projects simultaneously, making this a scalable business model that can fit into your own schedule. With the right tools and a bit of practice, you can easily start offering these services and build a steady stream of online income. 5. AI-enhanced social media management. Social media management is a growing field, and AI tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Canva have made it easier than ever for beginners to start offering these services. AI-powered social media tools analyze your audience's behavior, track engagement, and even predict what content will perform best at specific times of day. This allows you to craft personalized strategies that will maximize engagement, grow your followers, and increase conversions. AI tools also help you automate tedious tasks like scheduling posts, replying to messages, and analyzing performance metrics. This means you can manage multiple social media accounts for clients or run your own brand without constantly being tied to your phone or computer. For beginners, AI helps eliminate the need for advanced skills like graphic design and copywriting. Platforms like Canva use AI to help you design eye-catching posts quickly, even if you have no prior design experience. This way, you can focus on growing your clients' brands and expanding your social media business. As you gain experience, you can leverage AI analytics to fine-tune your strategies, ensuring your clients get the best results. As social media becomes more essential for businesses, AI tools allow you to provide high-quality services that save clients time and effort, ultimately boosting your earnings. The beauty of this AI hack is that once you set up automated workflows, you can scale your social media management business with minimal effort. AI is a game changer when it comes to making money online, and these beginner-friendly hacks give you a solid foundation to get started. Which AI hack are you going to try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tips and strategies to level up your income.